It's a respite because we actually know what we're talking about. We show you what it can do and gives you an idea. So then you can decide, well, should I pay to have this repaired, or should I invest in a new bag?
And we've always had the airline business. My father started in the 50s when Pan Am asked him, could he repair a piece of luggage? And that was the start of the repair side of the business.
My name is Andy Carrol, and I am the general manager of TW Carrol Company. I've been doing this full-time for 25 years. I've been in the business pretty much all my life. So we're one of the Northwest's largest repair centers, and we do luggage sales as well. We service all the people who have baggage that need to be repaired, whether that's they have time to leave it or they need to quickly turn it around.
What parts are you looking for? Well, it started, my grandfather started the business in 1900 in what's now Pioneer Square, and he was strictly retail. And in about 1915, he moved the family to Anchorage. They were there for 3 or 4 years. When World War I started, they stopped working on the railroad. And maybe 1950, and my father took over. And he changed it from retail to wholesale. And he repped various luggage lines. And that's what it was when I came into the business.
We've been doing this for a long time. I don't see anywhere else where I want to be. We're proud of what we do. We're proud to serve the state of Washington, the Northwest. One of the things I say is when you look at a bag and you think it's broken, don't throw it out. We'll tell you if it's worth saving or not. Don't think about it as we think about it as a throwaway society. Most of the time, it can be fixed. If you like it, it's worth fixing.
A lot of our business comes from word of mouth, and we do have a website, and we do advertise some, but it's very hard to get the message out. We just do the best we can. I think my biggest hope is stability. For the company, we'd like to grow a little bit, and a new vendor moved into town and asked us to help with all their repair parts. So we've had a lot of opportunities that come our way just because people know us.
It's nice when we, touch base with the community, and it's one of the things that I think we can do, as a luggage company, and as a company that's been around for a while. We have trust in the community has trust in us that we know what we're doing, how we're doing it. We know we're going to get it done in a timely and an efficient manner, and to the best professional way to do it.
Well, I've always thought that giving somebody personal service, people remember. They remember the personal touch.